All right, welcome back to Lesson 8. We're now going to take a look at some simplifying problems that do not give you a whole number and what you need to do from there. So this first one is 18 to the 1/3. So we're going to have the cube root of 18. Now, if I test it, let's test, go to our calculator, cube root of 18, and we get a decimal. So that means it can't be a whole number, so we need to check to see if we can simplify it using the prime factor tree. So we have 18, so 2 and 9, 3 and 3. So 2 times 3 times 3. Look at our index number. Our index number is 3. So the group size we are looking for is a group of 3. So I do not have 3 2s. I do not have 3 3s. So since I don't have a group size of 3, the cube root of 18 doesn't simplify. So we're going to leave it as the cube root of 18. All right, 4th root of 3 to the 4th. So we're going to rewrite this as the 4th root of 4. I'm going to put parentheses. So let's test the 4th root of 4. Decimal again. So if you do not get a perfect root, then I am going to rewrite this as the 4th root of 4 to the 3rd. And then we're going to simplify that to the 4th root of 64. So now we need to see if we can simplify the 4th root of 64. So we have 64. So we have 8 and 8, 2 and 4, 2 and 4, 2, 2, 2, 2. All these 2's are prime. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Because it's the 4th root, we need a group size of 4. So thankfully, this one we have a group of 4 2's. So these 2's right here that are not part of the group, those are going to stay inside the 4th root. 2 times 2 is 4. Now, with this group of 4, we keep 1, and everything else gets discarded. So a 2 is to the outside, so simplified is 2, 4th root of 4. All right, one more concept, and that is solving with rational exponents. So when you go to solve an equation with a rational exponent, rewrite it as a radical first before you solve for the variable. So here we have 2x to the 1/3 is equal to 16. Notice that the 1/3 is only on the x. If there were parentheses, then it would also be on the 2, but it is strictly just on the x. So we're going to rewrite this as 2 to the cube root of x is equal to 16. Then we need to get rid of the 2, so divide both sides by 2. And then we have the cube root of x is equal to 8. Now, just like if we had a square root, to get rid of a square root, we square both sides. When we have a cube root, we cube both sides. So we have x is equal to 8 to the 3rd is 512. This one that we do have parentheses, so x plus 1 is all under 1/2 equal to -2. So we're going to turn this 1/2 into the square root of x plus 1 is equal to -2. So here's what I was talking about. To undo a square root, we square both sides. Then we're left with x plus 1. And then negative 2 squared is positive 4. Subtract 1 from both sides, and we get x is equal to 3. And there we go, Lesson 8 on rational exponents.